Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the new guidelines for the international arrivals which is proposed by the government today, that is November 5th, 2020. Important guidelines for the travel basis. It's before planning the travel, after planning, and after boarding, after arrival, each thing different one. So before planning the travel, so before that it was like you need to take the COVID test before within the 96 hours of the departure. Now they have changed the rule. It has to be like 72 hours within the departure time. So you have, first of all, you have to start filling the self declaration form at least 72 hours before the travel, and then so in case of like any emergency situation, like the death in the family or pregnancy or children below 10 years of age, they can be given a home quarantine, but they have to fill in the exemption form. So travelers who carry the RT-PCR negative test results are allowed to go home for the home quarantine. If they don't have the RT-PCR test results, they will be taken by at the airport in India, and then if the test results comes as a negative, then they will be allowed for the home quarantine. If not, if the test results comes as positive, then they will be sent for the institutional quarantine or to the hospitals based on the symptoms level. So before boarding the flight, the international flight, and what the do's and don'ts. So the government requests all the passengers to download the Arogya Setu app, but they are not being checked these days. But again, in this new guideline, they again advise to download the Arogya Setu app. So while boarding the flight, only asymptomatic passengers will be allowed to board in. If they show any symptoms or like a high fever, they will not be allowed to board the flight. So during the travel, as I said, they'll be given the self-declaration form in the flight if not filled already. So again, they ask all the passengers to follow the hygiene, like social distancing, wearing the mask or throughout the journey, all those stuff. So once on the arrival, so again they insist on the physical distancing. Again, they will do the thermal screening on the arrival. So a copy of the self-declaration form should be submitted on the arrival. So if the passenger shows some symptoms like a high fever or something on the arrival, will be taken immediately to the medical facility. Again, if the passenger have already filed the exemption, like in case of emergency, they will be allowed for the home quarantine. And again, for the state rules differ in each state, so those rules will be followed based on the state guidelines. So even if the passengers who come for the medical emergency, if they carry the negative results, it will be well and good for them to allow them for the home quarantine. So imagine if you don't take any rest, if you don't take any test over here in while before boarding, and you don't want to take any test on arrival also, then you will be sent to the institutional quarantine mandatory. That is mandatory for 7 days, and then for the home quarantine. So you have to opt for testing when you arrive if you have not done anything before boarding. So if you don't want to do testing at all, then you need to go for institutional quarantine. All the tests for the RT-PCR on the arrival is taken based on the ICMR protocol. For people who do show the symptoms, will be admitted or taken to the COVID health facility, and they should be waiting in the facility until the report shows negative. So these are the new guidelines. The main important point in this guidelines is that from 96 hours they have reduced the COVID test thing to 72 hours. So hereafter, who passengers who are traveling from other countries to India, make sure you do take the test within 72 hours of boarding. So this is mandatory from right now. Regarding Chennai, the rule remains the same. That is, the COVID test has to be taken within 96 hours of the arrival time. So there's no change in this rule. It's only for the other state which has to be taken 72 hours before boarding. So this all for today. So if you have any questions, please do comment below. I have a separate playlist for all the travel related videos. That's Vande Bharat mission.